Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we bring you the honest, no-nonsense breakdown of the products that matter most to you. Today, we've got something that's going to make your mornings a lot smoother. And no, I'm not talking about a fancy new coffee machine. We're talking about the Hamilton Beach portable blender for shakes and smoothies. The 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup and lid, Tranquil Blue. Sounds like a mouthful, right? But is it the right fit for your daily blending needs? Let's find out. This portable blender packs a lot of punch into a small, convenient package. The standout feature here is the 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup. If you've ever struggled with blending in big, bulky blenders that take up half your counter space, this little guy is designed to be the exact opposite. It's compact, lightweight, and as the name suggests, portable. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you've got a personal blender that's ready to whip up smoothies and shakes whenever you need them. And the best part? The travel lid on the cup doubles as a to-go lid, so you can blend, twist, and take it with you. No extra steps. Now, let's talk power. Despite its small size, this blender doesn't fall short on performance. Thanks to its durable stainless steel blades, it can power through a variety of ingredients, from frozen fruits to leafy greens, making it perfect for protein shakes, smoothies, or even icy drinks. That's a big deal if you're someone who likes to get your daily dose of vitamins and nutrients without the hassle of multiple appliances. But does it live up to the hype? Well, let's see how it holds up in real-world testing. Setting up the Hamilton Beach portable blender is as easy as it gets. Simply attach the cup to the base and you're good to go. There's a single button for blending, so you don't have to mess with multiple settings. Press it, and the blender does the work, whether you're looking to mix a quick smoothie or crush some ice for a refreshing drink. It's one of those no-fuss devices that's great for someone who doesn't have time to figure out complicated controls before breakfast. But how does it perform when it comes to blending those tricky ingredients? In my testing, I tried a variety of tasks, from blending frozen berries for a smoothie to mixing up a protein shake. The blender handled everything smoothly, thanks to those sharp stainless steel blades. Even frozen fruits didn't stand a chance. They broke down into a nice, smooth texture without the usual chunks or clumps. I also tried adding spinach to the mix, and while it wasn't quite as smooth as the other ingredients, it was still pretty decent. Nothing a few extra seconds couldn't fix. But the one thing I really appreciated was how quiet it was, especially compared to other blenders I've used in this category. It didn't scream at me as it blended my drink. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The 14-ounce cup is a perfect size for one person, but if you're used to making bigger servings or sharing with others, you might find the capacity a bit limiting. And while it does a good job with most ingredients, if you're regularly blending tough or fibrous items, you might notice it struggles a bit. But for most people who need a simple, on-the-go blender for smoothies or shakes, this shouldn't be an issue. Plus, it's small enough that you can easily carry it around without worrying about it taking up too much space. Speaking of size, that compact design means it fits in most car cup holders, which is a huge bonus for those of us who are always on the move. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or on a road trip, you don't have to worry about finding a spot to stash your blender. It also comes with a 24-inch cord, so you've got a bit of flexibility when it comes to plug placement. Let's talk cleanup. Honestly, one of the things I love most about this blender is how easy it is to clean. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, so you can toss everything in after your smoothie and go about your day without having to spend time scrubbing. That's a big deal, especially for something you're likely using daily. Now, what about the pros and cons? On the plus side, this is an incredibly portable blender. The size and travel-friendly design make it perfect for people who want a quick, efficient way to blend smoothies and shakes without hauling around a heavy, bulky machine. The performance is solid, especially when it comes to blending fruits and soft vegetables. The fact that it's easy to clean is also a major win for anyone who's short on time. On the downside, the 14-ounce capacity might not be enough for those who like larger servings. If you're preparing smoothies for more than one person or need a big batch, you might be a little disappointed. It also struggles a bit with tougher or more fibrous ingredients. So keep that in mind if your diet involves a lot of leafy greens or protein powders. Don't dissolve easily. Now, when it comes to value for money, this is a product that's priced well for what it offers. It's not going to blow your mind in terms of sheer power, but if you're after a portable, easy-to-use, and effective blender for personal use, it delivers. Competitors in this price range may offer similar features, but few combine portability and ease of use as well as this one. You might find some more powerful blenders in the same price range, but they often come with bulkier designs that can be a hassle to carry around. If portability and simplicity are important to you, the Hamilton Beach Blender strikes a solid balance. In comparison to similar products, you'll find options from brands like NutriBullet or Magic Bullet that also offer compact, portable blenders. But with those, you're often looking at a higher price tag for similar functionality. The Hamilton Beach Blender does a great job of offering key features at a lower cost. While some competitors might offer slightly better power or more accessories, you'll be hard-pressed to find one that checks all the same boxes as this one without paying a premium. Build quality is solid considering the price point. The plastic construction of the jar and lid is lightweight, which makes it easy to carry, but it doesn't feel fragile. The blender's compact base feels sturdy enough to hold up under regular use. While I don't have long-term data on how it holds up over several months or years, it seems to be built to last based on my initial testing. If anything, the biggest concern I see is the potential wear on the travel lid with frequent use, but that's to be expected with any portable blender. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out yet, and I didn't find any major complaints about the company's customer service. Hamilton Beach has a decent reputation for delivering budget-friendly products, and their customer service generally gets positive feedback for responsiveness. If you're looking for a blender that you can take anywhere, is easy to clean, and doesn't take up too much space, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is a solid choice. And it's not going to replace a heavy-duty blender, but for personal use, smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks, it more than gets the job done. The compact design, ease of use, and portability make it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, small apartments, or anyone who needs a quick, simple blender without the fuss. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, you can find the link in the comments box below. Got any thoughts or experiences with this blender? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep blending, keep sipping, and remember, there's always more inside your next review.